Myself Pranay, I'm a chartered accountant with tons of passion for teaching. I also hold an ACCA degree and bachelor's in commerce. I have total 6 years of professional experience in finance and accounting. I'm really excited about the learning experience of teaching online in Udemy and sharing my knowledge and expertise with a wider audience. Many of the accounting graduates and employees always find difficult to apply gap in the work environment since we don't get much practical stuff on the internet, right? Also, many of the blogs and videos will be more focused on theory than practical. Keeping this in mind, I designed this course mainly on how to apply AC 842 in your work environment. It also guides the people who want to learn basics from scratch along with examples. Right now, you guys will be having many questions regarding AC 842. Among them, I just noted a few below here. We'll just see what are they. What is meant by lease as per AC 842? Are there any exclusions and exemptions? How to classify a lease? How to calculate lease liability and right of use asset? Is it mandatory to record this for all leases? How to identify the rate that is used to calculate the present value of lease payments? Are there any exceptions for recording ROU and lease liability in the books of accounts? How do you treat the sales tax if it is involved in your lease payments? What's the accounting treatment for initial direct cost and lease advance payments? Are there any differences in accounting from finance lease to operating lease in the books of lessee? How to present the ROU, lease liability, interest expense, and depreciation in your balance sheet and income statement? How to prepare ROU asset schedule, lease liability schedule, and journal entries for finance lease and operating lease in Excel? What are the methods and practical expedients available for doing the transition from AC 840 to AC 842? Whether the effective date for AC 842 is pushed? How to record the transition adjustments? How to do the transition from AC 840 to AC 842 in Excel along with required adjustments and schedules? Will deferred rent still be continued as per AC 842? What are the main differences from AC 840 to AC 842? So guys, if you subscribe this course, at the end of this course, you will be able to find the solutions for all these above questions. To give some more detail on this course, it's divided into 9 lectures. The first lecture is about introduction, the second lecture on the basic understanding of lease, then the classification of lease, then the overview of lease accounting in the books of lessee, presentation of balance sheet and income statement, finance lease example where we're gonna solve the real example in Excel. Then comes the operating lease where we'll solve it again in Excel. Then comes the transition from AC 840 to AC 842 along with an example in Excel. Major differences from AC 840 to AC 842. Along with this, we have 3 quizzes and 6 additional materials which are gonna help you to understand more about this course. Thank you.